Today we're going to teach you how to create your RootsTech schedule. Your RootsTech schedule is where you keep track of what classes you want to watch and when they are. This will come in handy when you realize how many different classes you will want to watch throughout the conference. So first off, enter in your browser search bar, RootsTech 2025. Then under the search result, Welcome to RootsTech, click the one that says the 2025 schedule. Then down below it will say Full Schedule and My Schedule. Go ahead and click on My Schedule. It will then ask you to either create an account or sign in. Click Sign In if you already have a Family Search account and create an account if you don't have one. After you sign in, click on the Full Schedule and scroll down. Keep in mind, there are sometimes more than one class, like here, per available hour. Make sure you don't schedule more than one for the same time period. When you find one you want to watch, click on it, then click the down arrow, then click Add to My Schedule. Repeat for the other classes you want to add to your schedule. Up here under My Schedule is where you will be able to see the ones you have scheduled. Another thing to keep in mind, make sure it says the right time zone. EST, MST, etc. Well, that just about sums everything up. Thank you for watching. We hope this video proved helpful for you. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. If you need help registering for RootsTech, check out our other video in the description.